Months in English. Today we'll be learning the months in English. January. January is the first month of the year. February. Valentine's Day is celebrated in February. March. Some countries start the school year in March. April. The flowers appear with the leaves in April and May. May. His birthday is in May. June. June is the sixth month of the year. July. I will take my vacation in July. August. She's going to start her English course in August. September. In Chile, Independence Day is celebrated in September. October. We will have a Halloween party in October. November. I did not go to school on November 17th because I was not very well. December. December is the last month of the year. Now it's your turn. Pronounce the months in English. Let's begin. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Now answer the following questions. When is your birthday? Which is your favorite month? When do you celebrate Independence Day? When does summer start?